to Storm Fairy. I'm Elizabeth, the star, and today we are going to make a nest. What you will need is some scissors, which we don't need because we've already done, and 3 types of colors of yarn. White, brown, and this white that looks like it was peed on.
Tan.
It looks like peed on white to me. Anyway,
explain how to take them apart.
What you will do is you will come to like this long and this long and this long and this long, and sometimes you can do occasionally this long, and then you can, when you pull them apart, because you like take the top and you move it back and forth, and then you'll get like a fray at the top, and you carefully pull it down, and you keep carefully pulling it and carefully pulling it and carefully pulling it, and then you'll get this stringy stuff. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. It looks like a spider web.
Put it down. And then make the dang bird nest.
Anyway, so after you get done doing that to all of your colors, you only want a little bit of brown, a little bit of white, and about a lot of tan. I call it peed on white. Okay, so after you get done doing that, you're going to take your colors. So I want to add a bunch of this white. I mean tan. Can I have that back? Do you mind? Just give me color.
That's good.
Please do not touch my string, camera person. Stay off the video.
There.
No, you're doing it all wrong.
Uh-huh.
There. You wanna rock around the Christmas tree, having a singing holiday. Oh, Happy New Year's.
You know you gotta roll into a ball, right?
Happy New Year's.
That's filming.
Have a happy day. Think of all the pretty rooms and everything that's right. Think of all the pretty.
Now roll it into a ball.
Pushing it into the ball.
Roll it with your hands. And then flatten it and then stick a hole in it.
String is very hard to roll. Like this?
Like this.
Like this? Can I record you?
No.
Can I record your hand?
Say hi. Oh.
Yeah, we might want to redo that. Hello. How are you?
We're filming the couch for a second.
You might want to take that little glass candle and stick it on there.
Like that, and then stick the hole in the center. Like that, bingo. Like this one.
Birdie nest. Here, you roll like this.
My bird nest.
Wee, wee. Wee, 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 wee. Little pig cried, wee, 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 all the way home. Wee, wee, wee.
Don't want it to go all the way through.
It didn't.
Put your bird nest next to mine.
Mine looks cute. Put on the best one. The one with the mine or hers? Camera person. Mine. Camera person. Mine. Camera person. A. B. A. B. A. B. A. B.
Look at the picture.
Birdie.
Okay. We'll do the gluing tomorrow.
The what?
How to glue them to get them to stay.
Okay, well, there will be a part 2, but it's getting late because it's 3:41 here where we're at. So, I'm more tired.
We talked about it's almost 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's going to 4 o'clock. So, we gotta
in the
go.
morning.
Yeah, a.m. It's 3:41 a.m. Happy New Year's, and there will be a part 2 tomorrow. Well, today, as soon as we wake up. I always get confused with that. I always say tomorrow, but it's really today. That's what you get for staying up so late. So, arigati. Bye.